Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into advanced idioms that native English speakers use every day. Let's get started. Break a leg means good luck, especially before a performance or big event. For example, before my friend went on stage for her big performance, I told her, break a leg. When someone says the ball is in your court, it means it is your turn to take action or make a decision. For instance, after I gave him all the information, I said, the ball is in your court now. Let's play it by ear is used when you want to stay flexible and make decisions as you go without a fixed plan. For example, we didn't have a set itinerary for our trip, so we just decided to play it by ear. Under the weather means feeling a little sick or not at your best. Like yesterday, I was feeling a little bit under the weather, so I stayed home to rest. To let the cat out of the bag means to reveal a secret accidentally. For example, I accidentally let the cat out of the bag about her surprise party. Kick the bucket is a casual way of saying someone has died. For example, when we heard that old Mr. Jonas kicked the bucket, we all felt sad. When you hit the nail on the head, you have made a perfect point. For instance, when she described the problem, she really hit the nail on the head. Cut to the chase means getting straight to the point without unnecessary details. For example, instead of going around in circles, I asked him to cut to the chase and tell me what he wanted. Burning the midnight oil means staying up late working or studying. Like last night, I burned the midnight oil to finish my project. To break the ice means to start a conversation that eases tension, especially in a new group. For instance, I told a funny story to break the ice at the meeting. Bite the bullet means to face something difficult with courage. For example, even though she was nervous, she decided to bite the bullet and confront her boss. Beating around the bush means avoiding the main topic or being indirect, like when he didn't want to answer directly, he kept beating around the bush. Hold your horses means to be patient or wait a moment. For example, I told her to hold her horses when she wanted to rush out before we were even ready. Happy as a snow king means extremely happy. For example, when she got the job, she was as happy as a snow king. Once in a blue moon describes something that happens very rarely, like he visits us only once in a blue moon. Egghead. Egghead is a playful term for someone very intellectual or studious. For instance, everyone calls him an egghead because he's always studying. If something smells fishy, it means something feels suspicious or off. For example, I thought something smelled fishy when he started avoiding my calls. And guys, that's it for today's idioms. Try using them in your conversations to sound more natural. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.